Subscribe to Filmy Mirchi for more Bollywood updates.
I mean, I loved working with Aditi. It is so easy to fall in love with Aditi, yeah. And she's a beautiful person inside and out. She looks beautiful on the outside. She's a lovely person on the inside. It was so easy to work with her and just fall in love with her. So I'm very happy.
40 minutes of Geeli Puchi and hooked on to every frame, hooked on to every scene, hooked on to every expression.
Geeli Puchi ready.
I want to know from you, Konkana, आपके लिए वो कौन सा सीन था जो सबसे फेवरेट था परफॉर्म करने के लिए?
वो सीन्स जिसमें मैं वो ब्लू ओवरऑल्स पहनी हूँ ना, बूट्स के साथ, हैंकरचीफ के साथ, वो सीन सब मेरे फेवरेट हैं. I felt so empowered and so liberated and so confident wearing those overalls and having that handkerchief around my wrist, and I felt I became Bharti.
जैसे ही हमें पता चलता है तो कोंकणा सेन शर्मा किसी फिल्म में हमें पता चलता है कि अच्छा ये फिल्म सेंसिटिव है, फनी है, डार्क कॉमेडी भी हो सकती है, इंटेलिजेंट है. अभी ever gonna see you in one of those films जिसे कहते हैं अपना भेजा घर पे छोड़ के आओ?
I have no problems with all kinds of films existing. I would rather that they didn't have regressive attitudes towards women and minorities. That would be amazing. That doesn't always happen. And I'm happy doing the kind of roles that I'm getting, I mean, of course, you have to do all kinds of films in a career, but it's nice to be able to do a film which means something to me, to other people, which I'm not embarrassed about.
The butch girls in the gay community, specifically the friends that I know, are so amazed. They are like, oh, this is just beyond our understanding. I don't know how has she done this. She has done such a fantastic job.
Thank you so much, and thanks so much to your friends and people in the community who've given such positive feedback. I'm so happy about it. It was very helpful because Neeraj and Sumit Saxena had written a wonderful script. I had written a really beautiful, fleshed out character in Bharti Mondal. It was not flat, it was not one-dimensional. There were many different aspects to her personality, all her different identities. We all have so many different identities. I always say, I'm a mother, I'm an actor, a filmmaker, I'm an Indian, I'm a Bengali, I'm an atheist. I'm a woman. We have so many different identities. We don't operate out of only one space. So it was very beautifully nuanced and well-rounded with all of these intersecting. So it makes my job easier. I have seen performances like this, which hugely influenced me actually personally, is a beautiful lesbian love story called Below Her Mouth. And sometimes I feel like in some of my performances when I've played somebody who's very feminine, that's also a performance. It's not like I'm like that all the time in my real life either. I feel like I have a man inside. I think that many men have a woman inside them. And we have all these aspects inside ourselves, So I kind of reached in and tried to bring that out.
Wow, this is amazing how you reached in, you brought it out, and there's so many people who are, feeling, "Arey, ye to main hu," ya, it's a part of me as well. So to be empathetic while performing also, I think is beautiful. Is all I want to say. Of course, I'm fangirling and I'm trying to do my job as well.
You're doing a great job. You made me, so happy and so comfortable.
Beautiful. Every film that you've done now, जिसके साथ भी आपको पैर किया गया, चाहे वो फरहान अख्तर है, चाहे रणबीर कपूर है, चाहे अब अदिति राव हैदरी हैं, now you're bringing the best out of all these people. Does that come naturally to you, or do you think you had to work more on the romantic?
I've acted with so many people, and I've been blessed in that sense, and I'm very much a person who lives in the moment. I'm very forgetful as a person, so I think I just forget in many ways the past, and I don't concentrate on the future. I'm very involved in the present.
ऐसी कोई चीज है जो जीवन में आप अच्छे से नहीं कर पाते हैं, and you want to maybe get better at it?
I can't swim. I can't swim. I can't cycle. I have a lot of fears actually. I mean, I try to be brave and courageous, but actually I'm scared of the dark.
Scared of the dark and played the Diane so well. मतलब it's amazing. Acting कर लो, सारी चीजें ठीक हो जाएंगी. You want to get over your fears? Just become an actor.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे लोग नीरज घेवान को appreciate कर रहे हैं, आपको appreciate कर रहे हैं. Any 2 cents that you want to give to people who are saying thank you, or who are saying, well done?
I'm really happy. I'm a little overwhelmed with the love that this film has received. I just wish that we could have more stories like this, which can make us a little more aware. There's so many people who are so caste blind and who feel that casteism doesn't exist anymore.
Sir, आपने तो बोला था वो डाटा ऑपरेटर का जॉब अभी खाली नहीं है. हमारे पास भी वही डिग्री है.
We are, then in a place of privilege, so we've never really perhaps had to face it. So we feel like it doesn't exist, but it does. So for example, in so many households, you have different utensils for, help. You have different utensils for staff or service people. And that actually has just come from untouchability, from generations, hundreds of generations of untouchability. Because actually with soap, everything becomes clean, including coronavirus was. Soap and water. So there's no reason to give a separate cup. Yeah. So we must question these things ourselves. And it's great when you can do it through story and emotion, because otherwise facts and statistics don't stick.
Thank you again. But I'm going to ask you more questions. ये सारी चीजें जो मैं आपसे कहूंगी, आपको मुझे बताना है आपके लिए अजीब है या नहीं. Pizza on pineapple?
I mean, it's not my go-to choice, but अजीब नहीं है, बहुत लोगों को पसंद है.
आपकी मूवी में बादशाह का गाना अजीब या not अजीब?
I am not very familiar with Badshah's music personally. First, I want to say I may not be aware so much, but it depends on the story and the narrative, and why that choice has been made. I mean, maybe it fits into the meaning of the film.
शादी में बारात में नागिन डांस अजीब, not अजीब?
Not अजीब at all. शादी में तो नाच गाना होनी चाहिए हर तरह का.
होटल से जब आप जाते हैं, अच्छा टाइम है, मॉइस्चराइजर की बोतल, छोटा साबुन घर ले जाना अजीब, not अजीब?
I personally like to steal shower caps more than anything else, but I don't think it's अजीब. I mean, some toiletries, ठीक है.
Quick rapid fire questions. One thing you love about your job?
That they are limited and finite in nature. It's not like कि अब पूरी जिंदगी यही करना पड़ेगा. That they finish and then I can move on to other things.
One thing you hate about your job?
Sometimes, like in there's a lot of hierarchy on sets.
One movie you wish you could be a part of?
So many movies. I would have loved to have been part of Monsoon Wedding.
What an answer! Good job! Good job! I feel like going back into time and like putting you into it, man.
Put me in it.
Yeah, I should. First thing that you would do if you were invisible for a day?
So if I was invisible for a day, I'd just chill on my own amongst people, maybe. Because I don't get time on my own much, because I'm very grateful and lucky to have a very full life,
Your current favorite obsession?
I love cleaning.
There are so many comments which have come through from fans. अगर अजीत दास्तान में कोई और फिल्म करनी होती है आपको?
I'm a big fan of Shefali Shah's, and I think she did an excellent job. But if I had to choose, then yeah, that would.
अदिति कोंकणा के बीच में रोमांस, नीरज खैवान का नाम हमें बदल के नीरज भगवान कर देना चाहिए at मलमल 5. आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं मलमल?
I feel a lot of gratitude towards Neeraj Khaivan, because he's made these two amazing. Him and Sumit Saxena have created these two amazing characters, and I loved working with Aditi. It is so easy to fall in love with Aditi. Yeah, she's just like. And she's a beautiful person inside and out. She looks beautiful on the outside. She's a lovely person on the inside. It was so easy to work with her and just fall in love with her. So I'm very happy.
As much as I'd like to chat for the rest of the day with you and about more films and about stuff that you've been doing, the stuff that you are going to do, I just want to thank you for being so amazing.
Thank you. Yeah, that's so sweet. Thanks, Prerna.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Bye.